What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of CSR2. You are with me here, Chris, and as you can see on screen, I just got my car upgraded on the ACS 8, and this is we are looking at the car that was given for the Christmas by Donna. And yes, I just logged in, forgot to claim this, so I'm just gonna claim that first. This is on the ACS 8 BMW, which came into the game and was given cross to everyone. All you got to do is just utilize your BMWs. You start with the 235i, and then you move on with a BMW M4 just across to complete and get this into your garage. So pretty simple. So I hope you guys utilize that and get this car so you can run. I think it's pretty simple kind of thing to actually earn the car. So make sure you guys get a chance of it. While I do this, we will get our car tuned and ready for the race. Let's see. Of course, we're getting a lot of parts for the car and the crates, of course. There you go, 6633 EMG. Thank you, Donna. And we have the parts for Audi based on the Prestige Cup. Cool. So let's go back to where we were and install all those parts that have been paid for. It's a lot of money involved. Before I could upgrade this car, I had about 108 million, but I think about 3.5 mil have been put on this car to upgrade. So now it sits at 652 with 619 performance rate. I'm not gonna tune it at the moment. So yeah, that's how it looks. Let's just go into customize. We're gonna see how it looks over here. Pretty simple. I'm not sure about what you guys think about it. Simple thing. Alright, that's the schnitzel over there. So let's go for the race. Of course, legendary parts is here. Sorry, not parts but token. This is done. The next 54 minutes to run. Ah, come on. I seriously thought that I could use that ACS 8 schnitzel to run. So I need to wait another 54 minutes before the 5 more races being unlocked, unfortunately. So now I want to break it down into something. The CSR2 global game player has become a little bit frustrated over the legendary garage. Why? Because some of them have purchased a wrong car, and especially like me, I've purchased two of the cars over here. One is the Mercedes 300 SL and another is the Cobra 427. So these cars take quite a lot of tokens to be restored. Of course, it's not as bad as the Lamborghini if you guys notice. So I have 4,350 to restore this part. Not just that, it takes over here as well. Look at that, 7,600 to just restore this area. It is seriously nuts. I mean, whew, it really takes a lot of cash. So I'm not sure if I should go crazy or go wild just to spend all my goals and restore. I'm not really sure. It's just a lot of cash to be, I mean, a lot of goals to be involved. If I'm gonna put it right there. Look at that. Seriously. This as well. It takes 5,200 to complete this. Look at that. That's a lot of cash to be involved. 29,000 of goals remaining. Oof. Oh my god. No, I'm not gonna spend that much of gold. 500. Let's see over here how much it takes. I'm gonna restore this. And this is gonna take heck of a time. My word. Alright, so while 2 of that car is completing its restoration on certain parts, we're gonna go for the time trial. Sorry, Legends trial. You know, no matter how crazy I get to actually utilize that goal and purchase those legendary tokens, while clicking that purchase, somehow something is just stopping me, like, hey, don't just spend too much on that. I don't know. I'm not sure what you guys think, but that's basically where I am. Whenever I'm about to hit those goals. I mean, to earn those goals, it's extremely tough. It takes a whole long period to get up to that level. As you guys know, I've been playing since beta, and earning up to 31,000, it takes a long period of time. Some of them even have gone further than me. Yep. If any of you guys actually have purchased the T5 Lamborghini, Bugatti, comment down below of what was your take in completing that car, or is it still in the restoration? Let me know, guys. If you are finding a race difficult, fit some upgrades to increase your car's PP before trying it again. Yep. Yep, pretty yep. The Cobra is the longest car that I've actually ever restored. It takes a hell lot of time. Thank God I did not been so greedy and taken other type of higher ended cars, or else I would just be in tremendous pain right now. Right, Vanquish. That's for the 300 SL horse. Don't forget to collect your daily prize. Right, the ACS 8. That's the general looking ACS. Unlocking those tuning right after you restored fully on your car, I think that's really, really painful. Instead of driving the car in the live race, you really gotta wait until you have those cars into your garage. Come on. Need more gas. Come on. Right, one gas has just been added. Later, thanks Jess. I'll do that later. Come on, come on. Right, these last guests will actually get myself on the second tier of token. There you go. Right, not sure what are we getting, 4 to 7. No, it's the 300 SL, and we do not have any gas, so we're going back into the garage. So 300 SL has gotten two times of the legend tokens. It's gonna take some time right here. So 750 at this moment. Seriously, I'm not gonna spend. No way. Alright, so this will be completed once the 3400 has been added. This is as of current which is being restored at the moment. So if I go to the Cobra, still have a lot more to go. This will take 6 hours, which is the following day, since today we still waiting for further. And this is the remaining, which is 7,600. I'm not sure which year I'll be completing this car, seriously. Alright guys, so I'll be wrapping up this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is a pain, and hopefully you guys are taking it slowly as well. I just gone a little bit mad and I regretted I spent that amount of gold, but just to keep it a little bit faster, so I just managed to do that. Alright, so once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the most. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, like the video down below, leave your comments as usual, and I'll get back to you. So with that, I'm Chris and this is CSR2, and I'm out. Peace.